Hello, I'm Mike from the warranty department at FeraDyne Outdoors. I'm going to walk you through how to submit a dealer RMA request. Let's start by opening a web browser. Navigate to FeraDyne.com. Under the Contact menu, click on Warranty Claims. Find the link for direct dealers and click on it. And this will take you to the login page for the online order writer. You can bookmark this page for future use. If you do not have an account set up in the order writer, click on the link at the bottom, and if you're already set up on the order writer, go ahead and log in. Your account will pop up in a square background. Click anywhere in the square. For covert returns, click on the Covert Warranty Request link, and for all other brands, click on the FeraDyne Warranty Request link. Click Add Item, and an active search box will appear. Results start appearing below the search box as you type, so you never have to hit Enter when using this search field. Let's return a Smoke Max buckle foldback. There it is. If you have a part number, that will bring up your item immediately. When it appears, click on it, and the Return Item Details window will appear. Fill out the fields at the top of the page. In the Detailed Problem Description field, simple is best. If you have a damaged shipment or some other reason to add photos, then you would add them here. You add pictures one at a time. Click on Choose File and find the image you want to upload. Click it once to highlight it and then click Open. Depending on the size of the picture and your internet connection, it could take a few seconds for the image to appear. Please be patient. Once the first photo appears, you can add more. When you're finished uploading photos, click Submit. The proof of purchase images are for consumer returns, so don't worry about that. To add another item to the RMA, just click Add Item and repeat the process for each item. We recommend putting crossbow repairs on their own RMA. When you're all finished adding items, click on the blue Next button. If you have multiple locations, choose the shipping location you'd like to use for this RMA. There is a blank section you can select and fill that one out. If you need to add any additional email addresses, add those right here at the bottom of the page. When you're all done, click Submit. You'll get a system email telling you that your RMA request has been submitted for review and not to return anything yet. The next step is to watch for an approval email, which will include an RMA number and instructions on what to do next. If you get an email asking for more information, please just follow the link in that email and provide the requested info. And that is how you submit an RMA request. If you have any questions, please contact customer service. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for your business.